Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nan's Hidden Apron and welcome to my kitchen. This is going to look like I'm starting in the middle of a cooking project, and I kind of am. Let me go ahead and tell you what I'm doing. I'm doing pulled pork nachos. Now what I did was I took some pork tenderloin and put it in my slow cooker. I let it cook for, oh, I don't know, probably 7 hours. Put it on low. You put it on high and cook it even faster if you want to. But let me show you what I've got here. I hope you can see it. Let me just clear everything out of the way. This is my pork that I'm going to be using. And what I'm doing right now is actually going through here to get it out, and I'm separating the fat from it because I don't particularly care for fat on any meats, and Tom doesn't either. So I just want to make sure that there's none on it before I start the other process. But now what I put in here, you all may want to know what all I used to flavor this pork with. And I used 2 tablespoons of lemon. Oh no, I did not. I used 2 tablespoons of lime juice, you all. And you can see those peppers in there. I put some peppers in it just to give it flavor. I'm not going to leave it in there. But I also used 1/4 cup of orange juice. And I put, my spices were, well, I put some onion in here, and I put some peppers in here. I just used like the little sweet peppers. I put 4 of them in there. Actually, don't have any fat. It cooked it all out. Good. And I put about, I'm thinking it was approximately a 1/2 cup of salsa. And then my actual spices itself consisted of pluck that out of there. I put dried spices, cilantro, oregano. Now you do this, you know, I can't tell you how much because I sprinkled it in there to our taste, okay? But cilantro, oregano, I used smoked paprika. I put probably 2 tablespoons of actual taco seasoning itself. I put onion powder, garlic powder, and cilantro. And I believe that was all. I know it's a lot, but I think that was all. And I've already got my, see how easy that is just to do that, you all? So easy. And you're going to have enough, you know, if you got a small family like we do, of course, you're going to have enough for something else that I'm going to do. That I'm going to make for supper for us tomorrow. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You'll have to tune in to see. That's the oven. I've got it preheated. Now, what I've done is I took some tortilla chips. These are organic. They are sea salt, and they are delicious. We get them from Costco. But I've got these on a tray that I covered with foil, and I did put some nonstick spray on there because we don't want that sticking to everything and not getting to eat the goodness of it, right? So what I'm going to do is slide that around a little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put y'all down here where I usually do, first of all. Is that alright with you? Hope so. That's where I usually have y'all at, in the sink. Y'all know that. What am I trying to do? Who do I think I am? I am me. Happy as can be. That's who I am. Now, I'm going to take this pork where I shred it up a little bit. Yeah, shred it up however you want to. If you want chunks in it, that's, you know, you do you, boo. But I'm going to sprinkle this, and as I come across these little peppers, they're coming out of there. But I'm going to put this all over the tops of these tortilla chips. And then I'm going to put it in the oven and let it bake until the pork gets a little crispy on it. Well, I'm going to let it bake for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to switch it over to broil, because the 10 minutes is because I want my tortillas hot. Of course, they could get hot enough with this stuff because it is burning my fingers. But yeah, I'm going to put this in there at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to switch it over to high broil so that we can get some crunch on this pulled pork. Then we're going to add some more stuff to it. So that's what that looks like. And I'm going to put it in the oven, and then I'll be right back. Okay, there's what it looks like after I've toasted it on the top. You see all this nice little brown little crunchies on it. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do, Tom and I want some cheese on ours. You don't have to put cheese on it if you don't want to, but I'm going to sprinkle some cheese on it, and I'm going to stick it back in the oven and let our cheese melt down. You put whatever kind of cheese you want to. We're using sharp cheddar. It's a reduced fat because that's our lifestyle these days, you know. But oh, I do have leftover pork, but you have to tune in next week for the video next week to see what I make with the leftovers. Sure, it's going to be delicious. I'm excited about it. My mouth waters thinking about it. And if you have not subscribed yet, I do hope you will. Click the subscription button and the notification bell so that you know every time we put new content on. You know, sometimes it's yummy, sometimes you might like it, sometimes you might not. You know, our taste buds are different. But this, my friends, is going to be so good. I've made this many times in the past. Okay, now put this back in the oven and let that cheese melt down, and then I'll be back in a minute. Oh, look at that. I would say this one's for me and the other one's for Tom, but not true. Look at that. Nice and ooey gooey melted cheese. Now, I have some avocado that I've already salted. And, well, I put some lime juice on it and salted it. Then I'm just going to squeeze it out all over Tom's nachos. Of course, he'll have some left over for lunch tomorrow, you all. I guess he might decide he wants the whole thing, if it's that good. And it usually is. Not patting myself on the back, just saying. It usually is. And then I've got some for me. And I did the same thing to my avocado. Lime juice and salt. Makes all the difference in the world on avocado to me. Boy. Let me wash off my hands. Well, let me just wipe them off with this dish rag here. And now I've got a little bit of taco sauce that I'm just going to pour over it. It's some mild taco sauce. If you didn't want to use the tortilla chips, you could just take romaine lettuce, the leaves, and put your meat in between there when you get it done. And then add any of your toppings to it that you want. And there you go. You are full low carb. I don't know about keto, depends on what you put in it. But you're definitely low carb when you do that. They smell divine. Smells divine. Let's see, y'all. Let me give you one more little looky here before we eat it. Look at that. Ooh. How yummy does that look? If you do try this, let me know. And please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. YouTube likes it when you do that. I think we're gonna eat now. Oh, I almost forgot, didn't I? Hold on, let me get my taste tester. I'll be right back. Oh, look who I found. Look who I found. Yes, he's using a fork, y'all. Don't laugh too much. I laugh at him too. Pretty hot.
But very good.
Mmm, so delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. Ooh.
Mercy.
Hot.
Yeah, I'm about to get my belly full.
There you go. I thought he was going to be too busy to come in here and do this, but he wasn't. So you all take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.